In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Krea AI website. If you're tidying up old experiments or making room for new work, I'll guide you through the exact clicks so you can remove images confidently and avoid accidental mistakes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Krea.ai. When the homepage loads, find the Login button, typically in the upper right, and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, Krea may log you in automatically. If not, select your Google account and follow the prompt to authenticate. After that, you'll land inside the Krea app. From here, look for the section labeled Assets. You'll usually see it in the sidebar or along the top navigation. Click Assets to open your personal library. This page shows all of your uploaded or generated images in a grid. Take a moment to scan through your thumbnails. If you have a lot of content, consider using search or sorting to quickly surface what you're looking for. When you find the photo you want to remove, click it to open its detail view. This ensures you're acting on the exact image you intend to delete. On the image page, locate the delete option. It's commonly presented as a button or a trash bin icon near the top or within the action toolbar. Click Delete. Krea will immediately show a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental removals. Read the message carefully, and if you're absolutely sure you no longer need this image, confirm by clicking Yes, Delete Forever. A quick but important note, this action is permanent. Once you confirm, the image is removed and can't be recovered. Before you proceed, double-check the file name or preview to make sure you selected the correct photo. If you think you might need it later, consider downloading a local copy or documenting any settings related to its creation before you confirm the deletion. That's the full process. Go to Krea.ai, log in with Google, open Assets, select the photo you want to delete, click Delete, and confirm with Yes, Delete Forever. If you're cleaning up multiple images, simply repeat these same steps for each one, taking a moment to verify every selection before you confirm. With this approach, you'll keep your Krea library organized and focused on the work that truly matters to you.